Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Khan Academy now. Well, I did sign up for a new classroom and I was able to pick what grade I taught. I could go specific by subject or I could just do a grade level. So I did do third grade math, and I'm going to show you this is an example classroom. So I thought this would be a great way to preview for you. So you can see up here I did click third grade. So it says, let's see, we're going to try one question and see it's aligned to your standards. And there's 7 questions for this exercise, and we're doing equivalent fractions. This is a great tool for students for problem solving and just extra help. We're going to try one question. All right, it says, how many of the pieces in B do we need to shade so that it's the same area, shaded area as A? So they would be able to problem solve, answer their question, and it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then they can check their question. You can also see a step-by-step video on how to solve it. So this is a great way for students to try to solve the problem themselves, and then if they're not able to, try to figure it out while watching a video. And you can also see the full question list. I have used Khan Academy before with one of my students, and I enjoyed this because then I was able to preview the little module, and then I was able to also print out extra work for students to send home if they were having trouble with a subject. So you can also create your own assignments, and you can assign them to your classroom. So if let's say that I wanted my students to do equivalent fraction modules, on Khan Academy you can set up a classroom and it automatically assigns it to your class. You can assign it to just a few students, or you can assign it to your entire class. I'm going to assign it to my sample students just to show you, and you can also put when the assignment's due and what time. And there's your assignment report. And this is another great tool also if you have like data meetings or something that you need to have printed out. You can click on the assignments tab and you can view your reports. I think Khan Academy is great, especially if you've never have done it before. The tutorial is very great. But like I said before, this is a great problem solving tool, and aligns to the standards. So what else could you ask for? And you can see right here that 56% of my students got it correct. And you can even break it down into each student with each question. So for that one question, you can see how many attempts they had at it. And so the attempts, they might have missed it, gone back and watched the video, tried it again. So these students right here, I would know that I need to work one-on-one with those students. And you can see right there who needs additional instruction. And it tells you, once again, it shows you what time, what date, and then how many attempts, and then their best score. All right, and then you can create your real class. I think this is a great tool for students to just give them that little extra work and let them try to solve the problems on their own.